MZK string trimmer, electric cordless 12-inch. Use as a trimmer or a edger. Lightweight and it expandable, low to high, depends on the height. It's really good for small yards or small area. See, and replaceable lines right here, and you got here the cutter to cut it right here. You could also press this and rotate the head. It comes with 4 refills right here. Quick and easy. You just push this button right here and then this string comes out right there. Very easy and nice. I'm going to show you guys how we're using it. Nice handle, good quality, comes with a nice battery, tells you the power of the battery and stuff right there. Very lightweight, anyone could use this. I'm going to show you guys right here. This is it. You squeeze this part right here and it rotates any angle you want. So it depends on the hill. If you're cutting a hill or high or low, you could just adjust it like that. It's pretty easy, and you got the handle right here, and I'm gonna put it on. I'll show you guys. So you could literally hold this with one hand. Check that out. It's not that loud. It do sound a little loud, but trust me, my other battery one is really loud. Grass got burned up really bad right now from the heat. Turn up the water. See, it's cutting decent, not bad. All is a really good machine. If you have small place and stuff like that, this is really good. Office, small backyard, front yard, this is really good. 20-volt battery, super lightweight, easy to use, very easy adjustment. Place all the string and stuff very easy. It made easy and very nice, I gotta tell you overall. Check in the description box for more price and details and get your hand on a nice lightweight electric cordless string trimmer / edger.